Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2021 Ram 1500 Sport. It is a rig ready build, so let's go take a look. The front of this one is all color match. You're gonna have your color match bumpers. They do have your built-in park sensors all along the bottom. Blacked out badging on this one, and then you are gonna have your smoked out LED headlights and fog lights. Your sport hood. And then coming underneath, you're gonna have the 5.7 liter HEMI. Along the side of this one, since it is a rig ready build, it's gonna have your 6-inch BDS lift with the upgraded Fox shocks. This one is sitting on 35-inch Toyo MT tires and 20-inch XD rims. Color matched Bushwacker flares on this one with your bulletproof mud flaps. It does have flip out tow mirrors. They are heated. And then you're gonna have the color matched door handles with the proximity entry. This one is your 5.7 bed. And then coming into the back, you're going to have the color matched bumpers. They do have your built-in park sensors all along the bottom. Blacked out badging as well, dual exhaust. And then you're also gonna have your 4 and 7 pin wiring with your hitch receiver. Color matched tailgate handle with the backup camera. This one is a soft drop tailgate. It has your bed utility group as well as your LED bed lighting and a spray-in liner. But now we're gonna finish up in the front. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your black leather seats. They are heated and cooled. You're also gonna have a heated leather wrapped steering wheel in this one. Tons of storage in your 2 center consoles. The top of your center console is going to have a USB plug-in. You have this sliding cup holder piece. It's really good for hiding stuff when you're out in public, your wallet, all that. You're also going to have a phone holder right here with a 115 volt plug-in underneath, 2 USBs, USB-Cs, and an aux plug-in as well. Some more storage up in your 2 glove boxes, so lots of storage throughout the whole truck. This one does come equipped with the big 12-inch screen. It has your navigation. You also have the option to hook up your phone for your Bluetooth. You're gonna have access to your backup camera. If you hit this little plus sign in the top corner, it'll zoom in right on your hitch. Super handy for hooking up your trailer. And then you're also going to have all the buttons for your heated and cooled seats and your heated steering wheel. You can control your climate with this button, and it is dual climate control as well. This one has your travel link, so you can see fuel prices, any movies near you, your sports teams, their scores, the weather. You can manage your SiriusXM subscription, and then you can favorite any of those options. And then right here, you can just scroll through all of your media. Coming down a little bit lower, you have your built-in trailer brake control, the options to turn on and off your front and rear park sensors, as well as your traction control and your tow haul mode. And then if you're not wanting to use the screen, you can turn it off. Super handy at night, so it's not shining back in your face. On the steering wheel itself, you're gonna have all of your Bluetooth controls and your cruise controls right on the steering wheel. And then the back side of the steering wheel has some buttons for changing the radio, changing the song, and turning up and down the music. Auto headlights on this one, so if another vehicle's coming towards you at night and your high beams are on, they will automatically dim to your low beams, so no more getting flashed. Harmon Kardon sound system on this one, as well as a 12 volt plug-in up here. You do have a full panel sunroof on this one, as well as your power sliding rear window. But now we're gonna check out the back. In the back of this one, your armrest does fold down all the way flat, and it's got 2 cup holders in it. 2 more cup holders here as well. And then you're gonna have 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and a 115 volt plug-in. So all of your passengers on long road trips are covered. Everyone can plug in a device. They also do have the option to control their own airflow as well. Lots of storage in the back of your seat pockets on both sides. And then in your door, you're gonna have even more storage. All-weather floor mats on this one. Underneath, there are some storage bins. And then your seats do flip up. There's lots of storage back here for groceries or any sporting equipment. If you want to make this rig ready Ram yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.